Okay guys, I'm back. So I decided to check that defrost thermistor, which is basically this tiny yellow wire connected white temperature sensor. It's called a thermistor. And that comes up here, and basically I found in the service manual it says it should be between 4 to 6,000 kOhms. So this has got the tabs on the sides again, got 3 tabs, and if we look, the yellow wires are coming up to this connector. And I've got my multimeter, got it set for ohms right there. You can see the ohm symbol, and also known as the omega, I guess. And so basically what we're going to do is we're going to put our probes in here. This is a little difficult to do with one hand. Let's see if I can do this. And put that in there. And according to the chart, this should give back a resistance. And that resistance should be between, like I said, 4 to 6. Oh gosh, this thing's not staying. Cable's bouncing all over the place. Come on. And I've got, whoops. Let's see if I can get this to do a little better. Sorry guys. Not trying to make anybody puke here, but it's a little difficult to do with one hand. Jeez Louise. Okay. Like I said, I am not a professional at this, but... Okay, there we go. 5.5, which is good. That's a good number. So there's a table, you can look that up. It'll tell you what the temperature is. So that's good. Amazon didn't show up. That's fine. We'll put this back in. We are good. Looks like we are good to go. Before I put all this back together, I'm gonna run through what I did for you guys one more time. Make sure that's in. There is a small cover here. You need to make sure you do not work on this with the electricity plugged in, because you will get zapped. This is high voltage coming out of here. This runs the other wire. Make sure nothing's binding. It's the heating element, and if your heating element's bad, that's what you're gonna have to replace. Mine's good. I know it is. I ran it last night and tons of water was coming out. But so basically we moved the thermistor over to the side so it's closer that way. What else? We checked it, we bent those fins, we made sure that drain was clear, we added the new little metal thing, poured some hot water down there, we added the new tubes, and now I'm going to put it all back together, and hopefully we'll have a nice cold fridge and my food won't be bad. So I'll be back.